bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And in this video, you're going to learn 10 more basic Spanish phrases that you'll find really useful to learn before you go on holiday. ¿Listo? Vamos! Okay, so following on from the last video, we're going to start with a really simple way to ask somebody what your name is. And to do that, we say, ¿Cómo se llama usted? ¿Cómo se llama usted? And of course, the reply to that, you want to tell them what my name is me llamo. Me llamo, my name is. And in Central and South America, to say that it's nice to meet you, we say mucho gusto. Yeah? Mucho gusto. If you're in Spain, in mainland Spain, it's encantado or encantada. And to ask somebody, how are you? We say, ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? That's the formal way of asking somebody, how are you? If it's somebody that you know and you want to ask them, hi, how are you, informally, you'd say, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? And the reply should hopefully be, estoy bien, gracias. Yeah? Estoy bien. You want to ask somebody, do they speak English? You would ask, ¿Habla inglés? ¿Habla inglés? If the reply, if you want to tell somebody that you don't speak Spanish, which hopefully you won't be doing, because of course you are learning Spanish, you say, no hablo español. No hablo español. I'd much rather you told them that you are learning Spanish. And to say that, you say, estoy aprendiendo español. Estoy aprendiendo español. And to ask somebody if they could speak slower, please, you say, ¿Puede hablar más despacio, por favor? ¿Puede hablar más despacio, por favor? And to ask somebody to repeat something, we say, ¿Puede repetirlo? Or, ¿lo puede repetir? ¿Puede repetirlo? Or, ¿lo puede repetir? And there you have it. 10 more really useful Spanish phrases for you to take and practice next time you're on holiday in a Spanish-speaking country. Watch out for more videos like this and let me know in the comments if there's anything in particular you'd like me to do a video on. That's all for today. Adios!